So when they talk about the predicted increase, we know we're discussing an idea of slope. More specifically, they're talking about the increase for the average rating for every 10-cent increase for the price. So let's go ahead and look at the slope. And I want to pick 2 points on the line, not necessarily points from the actual scatter plot here that we see, just any 2 points that are clearly on the actual line. So here's a very clear point, 1 comma 0. The next one, I don't want to pick something that's around here. It's not in a nice corner. The next one that I see that's on a corner, in other words, exact X and Y coordinates, is going to be right there at 2, 5. So this is simple enough that I don't feel the need to use slope int, although I could. But my rise, and I want to be careful paying attention to the fact that this is increasing by 1 unit on each Y coordinate, and just by 0.5 for the x-axis. But I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for my rise. And then you don't really want to count it like this because then it'll seem like 2. But notice you're going from an x coordinate of 1 to 2. Well, that's just a run of 1 unit in total. So the rise over run is 5 over 1. Keeping in mind that the rise had to do with the average rating. So maybe I'll put this over here, rating. Whereas the run had to do with the price. So if they're saying for every 5-point increase in the rating, it's a $1 increase in the price. Well, if they're instead saying, what is the predicted average rating increase? So let me put an X here in the numerator where the rating goes, and then it says for every 10-cent price increase. Then I have a proportion in which I can cross multiply. Use your calculator if you'd like, but we could see we get 0.5, so the correct answer is B.